Help your students practice weight changes with this advanced beginner tap combo to the song Wait For It. And be sure to stick around to the end to find out how to get the music and the written notes all for free. Before we jump in, let's take a look. Well, there we have it. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Now let's break this down teacher speed. Starting on the right foot, you have touch, touch, right buffalo, grapevine, touch, touch, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. From here, stamp, stamp, an Irish, dig, dig, toe, step, stamp. I'm going to show that again. 6, ready, go. Stamp, stamp, Irish, dig, dig, toe, step, stamp. So right away we're playing with the weight changes. No weight changes on the touches. And here's where I'll tell the students, you need to bounce up the touches. When you leave them down, you're more likely to shift your weight onto it. If you're bouncing it up, up, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, up, up, you don't have to worry as much. Same thing for that first dig. I'm bouncing up, then I put my weight on it after. So bounce, then down. From the top with counts. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. One more time. And 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. From there, drag, step, touch, step, step, shuffle, ball change, chug. Again. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Followed by step, clap, touch, right foot, cramp, roll, drag, and that's tricky. You got to tell the students to think ahead to the step behind. Because that last part, right foot, cramp, roll, drag. If they don't think about it till the cramp roll's done, it'll be right foot, cramp, roll, oh, drag. Nope, you missed it. So you need to be thinking, I got to step back right now. And that's how you're going to hit that part. Cool. So that new part we did was step, clap, touch, right foot, cramp, roll, drag. Let's connect it top. I got your back. I'm going to roll it all. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. I'm doing the arms because I like it, but you don't have to do those. Whatever works for you. I'm going to roll that all one more time. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. If you're having a good time, you're going to love our Lifetime All Access Pass from UnitedTaps.com. You'll get the extended version of this combination, plus we have lessons and more combinations and choreography and across the floor and a huge tap dictionary and syllabus. Just a ton of stuff to make teaching easier and a lot more fun. Click on the link down below to find out more information. Now let's give this a shot with music. The song is called Wait For It, and we're coming in at 3 minutes and 19 seconds into the song. Let's give it a shot and see how it goes.
There wasn't one but two.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yes. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm sweating. Let's run that again at real speed. It's fun at this speed. It's more work, but it is fun, so it pays off. It's worth it. It's totally worth it.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to get the music and the written notes all for free, just click onto the link in the description below. You can also find out about our Lifetime All Access Pass in the same location. Thanks so much for tapping with me. I appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making teaching tap easier for you.